Hey guys, we're in Santa Ynez, California right now. The sun is setting. Just had a lovely bike ride to the town of Los Olivos, and I'm back now, so I'm going to fly back to Whiteman in Los Angeles. I tell you, this is one of my favorite airports. It's just, the airport's nice, the area around here is beautiful, the sun's setting. I mean, the weather is really nice. It's like 55, 60 degrees, so I'm going to pull up and do my run-up real quick.
Traffic Cessna 34901 Victor is turning left down for 26.
Santa Ynez traffic, Grumman, taking runway 26, inbound traffic. I see you. I'll be out before you get here.
Santa Ynez traffic, Cessna 34901 Victor is turning left base for 26.
A60 rotate. And we are off, and noise abatement procedure here is turn to heading of 210. To 1,700 feet. Beautiful airport. Alright, so we're out here. We're going to climb to, I think 7,500 is a good altitude. There's some mountains up here that we got to get over. Okay, I'll switch over to Santa Barbara approach.
Santa Barbara approach, Grumman 244, Echo Romeo, VFR request.
244, Echo Romeo, Santa Barbara approach, they request.
Yeah, I'm at AA5, land golf, just departed Santa Ynez, 2,000 feet, would like flight following to Whiteman, Whiskey Hotel Papa, 7,500.
244, Echo Romeo, squawk 4646.
4646.
Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Sunset, sun's going down right now. The ocean.
244 Romeo, radar contact 5 miles northeast of Gaviota, Santa Barbara altimeter 3023.
3023, position check.
Cessna 19 Foxtrot, traffic 11 o'clock, 3.5 miles, southeastbound, Cessna at 5,500.
So we're climbing out at VY, which is 90 knots. I climb right now, I got about 700 feet per minute at 4,000 feet. Oh man. Alright guys, check this out. Look at the sunset. It's right back there. There we go. Look at that. I mean, come on. Gorgeous. So we're looking over here. This is Santa Barbara Airport right down there. Looking down the coast towards Ventura, Oxnard, Malibu's over there, the Santa Monica. And here's looking off to the east. Alright, 7,500. I'm going to level off here. Okay.
Santa Barbara departure, Seneca 747, Romeo Charlie 1,600, restricted to 3. Cancel altitude restriction, resume navigation.
Might be the best time of the day to fly.
Up to Concord if we could.
Bring the power back to about 2,500. With about 2,500 RPM, about at 7,500 feet, we're going to get about 8.5 gallons per hour and a true airspeed of about 128, 129. So we can actually calculate on the GTN what our true airspeed is. Some people have the flight computers where it calculates it automatically for you. I don't have that, but you can enter the data in here, and it comes pretty close. So first it asks you for the indicated altitude. We are 7,500. We'll put that in. Barometric pressure. It's 3023. It's the last reading. 30.23. Calibrated airspeed. Now here's the indicated airspeed. Right here is the calibrated airspeed.
244 Echo Romeo, contact Point Magoo approach 128.65, good day.
2865, Fort Romeo. Point Magoo, Grumman 244 Echo Romeo, level 7,500.
Grumman 244 Echo Romeo, Magoo approach, put altimeter 3024.
3024.
Okay, it changed, so I'm going to put in 30.24 on the barometric pressure. Again, the temperature, my calculation is about 14 degrees Celsius.
1 minute Foxtrot.
Our heading is about 9.5. Compute, okay, so you just hit compute data. So with that information, our density altitude is 8,500 feet. Our true airspeed is 126 knots. Wind directions coming from 018, wind speed 18 knots. And so it calculates our headwind component, which is basically nothing. It's 2 knots. So right now it says our true airspeed is 126. It's usually 129, so
600 contact.
I don't know if I got one of these calculations a little wrong. Maybe the temperature conversion wasn't accurate. But we're close. So I'll just take a little time right now while I'm flying to kind of point out some stuff here in the on the panel. This is the GTN 650. It's an IFR GPS. Super awesome. Amazing to have. Expensive as hell to install, but if you fly IFRs, it's the best. Well, Garmin makes a bigger version called the 750. It's about that big. It costs, I think, about $6,000 more. Takes up a lot more real estate. Honestly, if you're flying with an iPad, like I do with ForeFlight, and these things communicate, and this sends all the information to here, so basically, I don't need the 750. I've got everything the 750 does in here, so I'm perfectly happy with the 650. Below that is one of the original radios that came with the plane, the KX55, I believe it's called. Below that is the Garmin GTX 345 ADS-B in and out transponder. I installed that at the same time when I put in the 650. In addition to, I put in this CDI to talk to the 650. Right here we got the S-Tech 50 autopilot. Really nice autopilot. It's got altitude hold, heading, wing leveler. Got multiple modes on it. Right now we're in heading mode, so what that means is the heading bug I have on my directional gyro, I can turn the bug with this, and whichever direction I turn the bug, the autopilot will track it. So if ATC calls out and wants me to go to a heading of 120, I simply just turn the bug to 120 on the DJI, and the autopilot just turns us, takes us there. Super easy, super handy. And right now we're in altitude mode, so right now it's holding us at a steady 7,500 feet. I got a JPI 700 engine monitor over here. You can see this guy. Super handy to have. Tells me my cylinder head temperatures, my EGTs. All right, so we're coming up on Santa Paula. We're gonna take a left here and fly down this valley here.
Grumman 4 Echo Romeo, contact SoCal approach on 128.75.
2875, Fort Romeo.
Diamond 6, Uniform Sierra radar contact position at Theta 3400 indicate.
SoCal, Grumman 244 Echo Romeo 7500.
Grumman
Yankee 44 Echo Romeo, so approach Grumman altimeter 3023 Juliet, current out Whiteman.
3023.
And I'll go ahead and try to get the Whiteman ATIS in here. I don't think I won't be able to.
44 Echo Romeo, are you going to go through the Newhall Pass or follow the 118?
I'll be going through Newhall.
Thank you.
Positive contact, information Juliet.
Oh, I can't.
Whiteman Airport, information Juliet 0050 Zulu, wind 3005, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 182.7, altimeter 3025. Rear on the GPS, circling approaches, runway 30, landing and departing, runway 30. Positive contact, information Juliet.
Hey, so,
SoCal 4 Echo Romeo has Juliet at Whiteman.
4 Echo Romeo, thank you. Number 4 Echo Romeo, contact approach 120.4.
120.4, 4 Echo Romeo. SoCal Grumman 244 Echo Romeo 7500, and I'll be beginning my VFR descent shortly.
Grumman 4 Echo Romeo, contact Whiteman Tower 135.0.
Going to Whiteman, have a good night. And Whiteman Tower, Grumman 244 Echo Romeo, Newhall Pass with Juliet.
Grumman 244 Echo Romeo, Whiteman Tower under right traffic for runway 30, report crossing the 118.
Okay, right traffic for 30, report crossing the 118 for Echo Romeo.
Grumman 4 Echo Romeo, if able, take approach speed, you're actually going to be number 4 for the runway.
Okay, do you want me to speed up or slow down?
If you can slow down, that'd be great. I've got 3 in front of you.
Okay, slowing down for Echo Romeo.
Yeah, it gets a little tight on 30 towards the funnel there.
okay, we'll go mixture full ridge.
RV 8 Zulu Delta, you can start correcting over for the left downwind entry. You'll be number 3. Actually now number 2, following a Cherokee midfield on the left downwind for runway 30. 8 Zulu Delta, Cherokee in sight. And RV 8 Zulu Delta, number 2, runway 30, clear to land, wind com. Number 2, 30, clear to land, RV 8 Zulu Delta. And Grumman 4 Echo Romeo, you're number 3. Your interval is just coming up just inside the 118 along the 5 for the left down on the 30. Let me know when you have them sight, same altitude.
I've got them in sight, and I'm crossing the 118 right about now.
Roger, Grumman 4 Echo Romeo, you're number 3. Follow that RV, midfield downwind now, runway 30, number 3, clear to land, wind com.
Okay, number 3 clear to land, 4 Echo Romeo. Echo Romeo, lost side of the track, if you just call my base.
Roger, your traffic's left base, turn in short, final here shortly. I'll call you base.
Okay, I've got him in sight now.
Roger. Delta, no delay to Bravo. You can turn right in Charlie. I'm sorry, Bravo Alpha and taxi to Park. Have a good night.
Can we back taxi?
Hi, that's approved.
Thanks.
All right.
Grumman 8 Zulu Delta available, turn right next taxi, left on Alpha, and taxi to park, and thanks for your help.
All right, have a good night, Fort Grumman.
Good night.